because of him, guys, I'm out here and gonna play with the Shillong artists. So happy for inviting me. Yeah, say something, Michael.
From the Shillong artists, we welcome you, Gabby.
Thank you.
This is the first day I meet you, but I'm so happy for all the Shillong artists and so many celebrities here.
Yes.
From my side, we love you. From the Shillong artists, we love you, Gabby.
Thank you so much, guys. Big love from Africa. You know, it's so cool, guys. Even I'm shaking the way when I'm holding the camera. So it's until 22. Who is not in the camera? Hi, Carmel.
Speak, Carmel.
Yeah, this is a big celebrity, guys. He has been collaborating with Jessie, Lindo. They have very amazing Khasi song, and I used to react to their song. And finally, I met them live, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Gabby, for coming to our place. And it's a pleasure to be with you guys, and then playing with you together here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much once again.
So
for coming.
today is our goalie, guys.
Yeah.